What's up, you guys? Got my bat wing out. Gonna do a maiden flight. Hopefully everything goes right. Gotta trim this thing out. Just gonna do a short flight. Awesome. I'm gonna retract the landing gear and go ahead and bring her in. I want to make sure my landing gear is down though. It is. Awesome. Thing works perfect, you guys. One badass jet. Landing gear worked perfect. The missiles I had on there were just for the pictures, you guys. Thing is awesome. Alright, well there's the flight video. I'll get you another one as soon as it ain't so cold out. Alright, over and out.